I'm here with Capitan Kanaya at the new Ocean View restaurant.
We're doing our official grand opening. We've been open for a couple months, working at the bugs, but now we're ready to rock and roll. So we cut the ribbon. We're open.
We're here with Francisco here at the Ocean View restaurant, seafood and steakhouse. Sounds yummy.
The restaurant with a nice view in all Rocky Point.
With Leah. How do you like the food here?
I love it. It's great. It's great. We're in the margaritas.
And how about the food?
Outstanding.
And the drinks?
Excellent. Cold and warm, all the same.
Great. So we're here with Yvonne. How do you like working here at the Ocean View?
I like it very much working here in Ocean View, and I'm inviting to everybody that is listening and watching me that coming and join us here.
Fantastico. All right.
Thank you very much.